Shall we begin?
Good day, everybody.
Let's begin.
This is VNfatBIKER, and as we begin again, I'm going to review and do some tutorial and test flight for this another low-cost Hubsan X4 Desire Pro drone. Okay, this is around $100 for this one. I just purchased this one in a nearby shop in Vietnam. Okay, so this drone is basically with compatible apps from Hubsan. There's a functional waypoint that you can use, the usual automatic takeoff, flight controls failsafe, lower power failsafe, and a real-time FPV. It depends on the altitudes and distance. There's a features also for follow me and altitude position and hold, but we need to check that one. It's really have a stable altitude hold. So to say, this capability of the video is up to 720p only. So since it's a local solid, so don't expect any 4K or 1080p on it. Still use a GPS. They claim it accurate GPS by Hubsan, but we don't know yet how accurate until we do the setup, testing, and the test flight later. Automatic return home, of course, this is a basic standard for all drone or fly cam, they call it here in Vietnam. So you can set either 20, 30% or 40%. It depends on your what setting you are comfortable on it to have a safe return of your drone. Okay, let's try to open this up, what's inside, and then later let's go out and let's try this mini drone. Okay, let's open up this X4 Desire Pro by Hubsan. Okay, as you can see here, we fly with your dreams. Okay, this is the actual unit. It's a Wi-Fi FPV drone X4 Desire. The propeller. Okay, the slot for the memory card, the camera, and the battery terminal, the slot, and there's another micro USB here, definitely for software debugging on it or upgrades. Okay, so that's it. That's our drone. I can post it for a while here. We have this standard, like an RC. Okay, so remote control. You can see the Bluetooth function, connectivity, and a standard joystick. The automatic takeoff and the automatic return. Okay. Okay, standard 4 pieces AAA battery you'll need on it for this particular remote control for X4 Desire Pro for Hubsan. Okay, let's what's inside more on it. On this box, prop protection. So you have 4 sets of propeller protection, but I rather not use it because it makes maybe it can add some weight when you fly this drone. But for beginners, you can use this one to avoid damage on your propeller drone. You have your battery, a small set of screwdriver that can use for this for the changing of the propeller. You have a spare of set screws, disclaimer warning, a manual inside also, and there's another box here. What's this? Right. Oh, there's a additional sprayer propeller. Okay, I think that's all inside of this box. So we'll go outside to test this using the Hubsan X apps. Then let's try a test flight, how to access in your mobile. Then go flight, and let's see what's the quality of the video up there. Okay, so let's go now and let's check for the quality of the video for this particular $100 Hubsan FPV drone. Okay, so let's go now. Let's go out. Connect your Wi-Fi to the drone. Then go to the Hubsan X apps, enter to the user interface. Then there will be a pop-up instruction that will require you to do the compass calibration for horizontal and vertical axis. Follow this instruction until it disappears. When it disappears, that means you satisfied the compass calibration and you're ready to go flight. So this is the horizontal compass calibration. Then the vertical calibration. Then that's it. You need to bind the aircraft to the current device. Then checking the GPS accuracy. It looks okay. Then next is we need to connect our remote controller. Just go to the bottommost menu and you'll see that one. Then connect. That's via Bluetooth. And then successful. You are ready to go flight now.